What's not letting it cruise?
Well, maybe. Oh. Beautiful time to sail in Greece is in the fall. I'll tell you what.
Welcome back, everyone. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by.
Well, this anchorage has just been stunning. Truly spectacular. We did stern to the island, off of the island, and it worked out really nicely. But now we have, obviously you can see, a storm that's actually a storm cell that's rolling in, and so we're gonna head back to Leros. This weekend we're expecting a storm that has 30 plus knots of gusts that we're expecting, and so we're just going to try and make sure we're in a much better protected anchorage for that blow, so that it can reduce the amount that is the wind pressure on the boat and us. So we're headed back down and then may come back up another time. What a beautiful day. We've got the top rolled back. We got our top down.
Top's off.
Top's off.
I love it when the top's off.
Yeah, so we actually rolled it back because in the fall it started to cool off enough that we want to have the radiant sun as we're sailing. So yeah, what a beautiful day.
Well, the spring and the fall.
Yeah, the spring. Yeah, so we have it back during the spring as well. We still have the Dodger up. Yes. But that's just for the wind buffer, to help buffet the wind. So
I always prefer sailing without the bimini up,
yeah,
just because I can see my sails. It's easier to set them and do all that stuff. So I always look forward to the spring and fall when I don't have to have my bimini up.
I know.
It's nice.
It is. It's like taking your top down in a convertible.
I know. Feels good. Feels so
wide
right.
open skies.
Yeah, buddy.
The way it should be. Anyway, great day.
Did we mention?
I know. Hey.
Hey, did we mention? So, did we mention?
It's a beautiful time to sail.
I don't even know if we mentioned or not, but today is November 1st.
Yeah.
Beautiful 80 degrees?
Yeah. 80 degrees.
Probably 80 degrees,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
79, 80 degrees, something like that.
So about 26.
26, 27, somewhere right there.
Yep.
And yeah. Sorry you're hearing the wheels chop. The wind.
The wind just
Sorry.
died out on us. You can hear the sails actually flapping. So we're gonna get back to this and go take care of that. Oh, alas. So motors are just our friend today. So, whew.
For a second.
Yeah, just for a second. So, as we were saying, we're so rudely interrupted by the wind, or lack thereof. It's November 1st.
Yeah.
So crazy.
November 1.
Yeah, and the weather is just, it's really beautiful. It's really nice. And I mean, there's not another boat in sight. So it's been pretty nice. We did, when we left our anchorage, there were 2 other boats that were in there by the time we left. But for the first few days we were there, totally by ourselves. It was really beautiful.
Good.
So, yeah.
Pretty quiet out here.
Yeah.
But still warm, beautiful.
Yeah.
We went swimming yesterday.
I know, and it was nice.
It was nice.
Yeah, the water's still warm enough.
Yes, the water's still 29 degrees,
Yeah.
which is like 83 Fahrenheit.
Yeah.
So it's plenty warm enough.
Yeah. Yeah, so it's nice. It's still good. We're still having a good time stretching out those summer days.
Heck yeah, we are. Nice, you're about to get poked in the pooper.
Wow.
You just about did. Here, ready, set, go. Zipper up. Oh yeah, now she's coming in. Keep coming. Oh yeah. She's almost there, man. A little bit more. Oh, come on, you go. Yeah. That's good for me. Good job, man.
Thanks.
We got a long way to go. Sure trying to get there. Whew.
Yeah, I'll be warm enough. We're all tucked into Leros and we're gonna zip into the town at this anchorage. Just taking the car in for dinner.
Yeah, buddy.
We really like Leros. It doesn't matter what anchorage we're in. We've been really happy with everywhere around this island. So again, we had just stopped here for a couple nights for some wind. Now we're gonna actually go around the bottom of Leros and come into the middle of the other side into a key that we were in last week, Lakki. So we're gonna go back into Lakki. We're gonna grab a few things in town, but that's also where we're going to hunker down for the storm that's coming in this weekend. So let's go get around the hook. Prepared to bring out head sail?
Hang on a second.
Okay. See that Stonehenge thingy?
Uh-huh.
That's what he has.
Got it.
Ready?
Yep.
The preventer for the boom is in the way, so Cass is working on that right now. All better.
Yeah, buddy. Now you see you catch a big old fish and you'll be set.
I know, wouldn't that be awesome? Sometimes you just don't have enough wind for the sails. So we'll pull them back in.
It's all you, baby. Take it to it, baby. Yeah. Good. Okay, lock it down. You're good to go. But you got it done, babe.
Yeah.
Woo! Wash machine. Yeah,
So we do need water here while we're in Lakki, but I think we're thinking of just going to anchor now because we actually prefer to be on anchor here than on the quay. I think the swell is going to come right into the quay. We'll still have a swell with the storm we're expecting. And so it'd just be a little bit more comfortable for us to be on anchor. So we're going to anchor up here. And then before we leave this harbor, we'll just go over to the quay for a few hours in the morning, get some water and whatever else we may need there, but pretty much just to top up for the water. Anyway, I'm falling. Oh, my table was gone. It was gone. Anyway, so Leros, tuck in for the weekend and the big storm that's coming in. So we got all tucked in to Lakki. We just dropped anchor. We'll get everything shut down with the motors, get the boat tucked away, and then we'll head into shore. So we know we have that storm that we're expecting, so we need to run into the grocery store to pick up a few items just to make sure that we have plenty of provisions because we won't be going ashore. So yeah, so we're gonna go grocery shopping. Let's go do it.
Okay, pull the door.
Pull on it. Okay, come on in.
Second ball.
Don't get closed in there. 2? 1? Because remember, the first floor is like 0. No, there you go. How do you do it?
I think
Do you have to do something like close other doors?
I have to close them.
Maybe pull the front side of them. Pull the front side of them.
What do you mean pull the front side?
Well, they fold like they push out that way towards you. See how I'm saying?
What's not letting it come?
Well, maybe. Oh.
Okay, that caught me by surprise a little bit.
Just open the door.
We made it.
Second story shopping up here.
All for what? Some wet wipes?
Toilet paper?
Toilet paper? Well, okay, then that's worth it.
Yeah, it's so worth it.
Let's do it. And pull the door.
You're gonna go downstairs?
Yeah.
We can't get the elevator to come back upstairs. We'll figure it out somehow. He's so helpful. Hey. What? Oh no, so it's not working? Okay. They just went downstairs. Okay. Well, we'll see. Well, nice. It's moving now. Stroll it down. Yeah, one wheel at a time. Yeah, one step at a time. That's funny. Yay!
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed our video, like and subscribe. And don't forget to join us next week.